live on the curb, boys. Queensland. Pissing down rain. Women can't even see me. Raining. Hard. Train's out. We're looking. We're still hunting. Look at the rain in the gutters, boys. Oh, that might have been alright. But look how full of water it is. What's that here? Any good?
No, I don't know.
What's that? Is that a head?
Head, but meant to be on body.
like most heads. Oh man, that's kind of creepy, but that table's shit. But this is what you do. Look at the scabs. Drowned rats. Drowned rats hunting the streets. Hunting the streets, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. For this. Thick and family. It's the effort we go to, boys. I don't know, the camera's going to be shit after this. I have no idea what's going on with my life. I'm losing all direction, all control. Throwing head, throwing shit about. The window winders stopped going up, so I'm just in the friggin' rain. I'm just going to wipe this screen. So that's just me wiping shit. So I'm going to put you up here. You just see what the hell was going on. Turn me that camera off my head. And that's high beam on. That's the windscreen wipers because we're in Queensland and she's raining, boys. I mean, and what did it say today? Oh, we got to turn this off. Damn, that was D12. So, you know, we said we found D12 for that CD. She was scratched the buggery, wasn't it?
Yeah, for sure.
But I'll be damned if it worked. Yeah, a bit of spit. Bit of big magic factor. I don't know what day it is. I do know actually, it's the day for the Scooby's 45th, 30th, what is it?
30th.
That's fucking bullshit now. No. You don't want to listen to a woman right now? You're going to turn it off, aren't you? Don't turn it off. She might. It's the only thing that'll save us from getting home.
She's off.
I got no idea where we are. Oh, we're going to go. We're going to wait for this car. Because we wait for cars because we've got a freaking road train on. And I'm probably going to, it looks like there might be a steep hill. It's got a 40 in the curve. So I'm going to go down this in low. I really can't see shit.
There's a traffic light somewhere.
Yeah, there's a traffic light somewhere. But look, you'd much rather hold people up than smash. So, should we go down this road here?
No, we haven't been.
Oh no, I said shall we? Yeah. So this is called Cannon Bar. What's that promising? Looks like a cannon. We're looking for a golden belt. I had this dream, right? And it was like on my phone.
Oh yeah.
Is there a freaking golden belt? Anyway. Let the camera give a little scoop. So what's your estimation of that hole that's good?
Looks pretty shit to me. But there's more cars up here.
Yeah.
That might not be as shit.
Well, it's raining. Nobody's putting anything out now unless they're like crackheads. So, Scooby might jump out and jump to be music enough.
Jumping out?
I don't know, are you? Scooby's jumping out. If he jumps out and gets a bit of cord, take that with you. That back in there, that might have come join you, mate.
There's a couple cords.
Come join you. Is the vacuum got a cord? No. So the fan's gone out later, earlier. Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at the little dolly. That's cool. No, I don't mind that. Well, it was worth the stop. The cord's worth 20 cents. And the dolly's probably worth 10 bucks. No, I might pop the back there. Get his hand around the back here for a sec, Scoop. I got it. I'm gonna stick the prick on my head. Yeah, I just put it on my head. Yeah, well, that dolly was cool. So you've got to put the friggin' yards in, boys. You know? You know what I mean, Scoop? Like, we try and tell our mates and shit. You know, if you want to, in bloody anything, you've got to do the shit. What have I done now? I'm caught in this. Scoop, I'm broken. Scoop, I don't know what day it is. Hey, Scooby fixed this. I snapped it, handball, I snapped it, didn't I?
No, that was before now.
So that was when you were 33.
Yeah.
It was that long ago.
Yeah, like a year and 2 weeks ago. Year or 1 week maybe.
What's that? It was shit.
And is this shit up here?
It's bloody raining, mate. It's like somebody already scrapped that fan. You know what I mean? Like, we weren't going to wipe that screen. We were going to. People just watching freaking snow, probably. I'm going to wipe the back anyway. I know you don't care, but I can't see shit. So, I don't know how long we'll keep this performance up. What do we got? 6:45. It's only early. You know, you wouldn't even call this night crawling, would you, Scoop?
No.
You know, this is just like, you know, they're just getting home from work before stuff. You know, we're like doing that night crawling, you know, like 3 a.m. Sneaking around. Creeping up. I don't know where the fuck we're going. So I'm going to turn left here, and then I'm going to turn right, and I'm going to do that bit over there. Does that make sense, Dennis? Oh. So, we're going to go right out turn, Ted.
Yep. So right on right. And
Yeah, can we
maybe
turn
that.
here? No, I think not out there. This is what it's like, guys, though. You know, you're out in it. Well, look how fucking this freaking is. That's good, what's that? It's good, it's good, it's good. It's good.
Lower countries.
That's shit. Oh, that's just my room on it. We need a towel. What the fucking window? Look at it. We need some sort of clay cloth type material.
I don't think
Yeah, we'll find some, though.
the curb will provide.
The curb will provide. We are the curb. What are we? heard from you, buddy. Here's a call. Check in on us. Here we go. Here we go. I'm pretty sure there's a gold fucking bell. What have we got? What have we got? Scoop, scoop. What have we got?
Shit.
Isn't that an old 1950s table? You see what he considers shit the podcast to be?
Shit.
$100,000 piece. Unless it's some sort of Kaiju, Japanese, German invention, right? During the Second World War, which got one person's views. Yeah, unless it's something like that, he's not interested. So what have we got here, Scoop? What have we got here? Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Is that a drum set?
Like a kid's drum set.
That's a drum set, my man. Let's go look at this drum set. Let's go look at a drum set. Don't tell me that's not the worst thing you've ever seen in your life. Oh. It's not even brass, guys. Not even brass. There's a thermos without a lid. Is that one's high?
Oh, someone's attached it to a board.
What's this?
That's
Shit.
something.
Scooby, I'm starting to feel a bit deflated. I don't know, it's the rain, all the quality merchandise for not scoring. But it's your birthday tomorrow, and I'm dragging you out doing this shit. Anyway, I don't know what's going on. Let me just clean this. Clean the camera. You're going back in here for a minute anyway. Alright, we might call it a night soon. We might call it a night soon. We can listen to D12 on the way home and not care about anything. Oh, what do you think, Scott? We've worked hard for very little today, haven't we, really?
Yeah, but
What's the best thing you got?
D12.
Yeah. Well, I probably have a good go. But I mean, see, normally, see that's what I'm talking about. Like, can you like wipe that screen there? You know what I mean? So the camera. Do you understand what I mean by wiping?
Yeah.
You're fucking. I swear. You can't get your little chubby hands down there.
Down there.
Oh, I should be able to see now. Anyway, how long has that been going?
Nearly 14 minutes.
Yeah. That's open the door. Put the fucking light on me. Put it on me. Say, none of the camera. Oh, he's so fucked.
Oh, well, both of us.
Give me a... Oh, he's in a burnout. Give me a second, I'll pull over. Scooby's... It's his birthday tomorrow. Alright, and really, it's 7 o'clock. We've done our hours, haven't we?
Yeah.
This doesn't fucking work. I'll go open the door. Oh, I've got to do this. I've got to turn my high beam off. Okay. Mate, let's call her a night, eh? We'll call her a night. We lunch is all. We're going to go home. Probably stop and get something to drink on the way home. Upload these bloody videos. We haven't heard from the landlord, the realtor. Not that I've checked my phone, to be honest.
We got a business meeting with the boys tomorrow. And also a birthday celebration at the same time.
We're going to garage sale in the morning first.
Oh, it's Saturday.
Yeah.
Well, then we got the business meeting. And the 33rd birthday party at the same
Yes,
time.
your 35th birthday party.
Yeah.
Scooby, it's your 35th birthday.
30.
Scooby.
30 what?
5. 3 and 5 make 8. 8's lucky.
Alright.
Alright, so we will see you on the next thing. I don't even know that's still fucking recording. It's not. So I don't know when that fucking stops. So goodbye.